Hello, my dear students of class 6. Today, I will continue the lesson, the Shepherd's Treasure, right? So, that day we studied till the shepherd lived. Still, I continue from the part. Disguised as a shepherd and riding on a mule, one day the king came to the cave where the wise shepherd lived. So, there was a shepherd who was very much wise. Okay, those he didn't go to school or he didn't learn to write or read, still he was very much wise or intelligent. That's why the king thought to meet that wise shepherd one day, and he disguised himself, means he dressed in a or different way, not in his actual suit, not in his actual attire, not in his actual dress, disguised, okay, as a shepherd. He also disguised as a shepherd, like another shepherd, and riding on a mule. He was not riding on the horse, right, but on a mule. Mule means in Hindi we call this animal khachar, right? So mule. One day the king came to the cave of that where the wise shepherd lived, where the wise shepherd, that intelligent shepherd, used to live. As soon as the shepherd saw the traveler coming towards the cave, he rose to welcome him. As soon as the shepherd saw the traveler, one traveler was coming towards the cave, towards his cave, because no one used to come to that way or to his cave. So when he saw one traveler was coming, he rose. He was sitting, then he rose, he stood up, okay, to welcome him. He took the tired traveler inside the cave. He took the tired, exhausted traveler inside the cave, gave him water to drink, and a share of his meager meal. Share of his meager means very less, so he was very much poor. That's why very meager meal means very little food he had, and he gave a share to that traveler, means to that king who was in disguise of a shepherd. The king rested for the night in the cave and was greatly impressed by the shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation. The king rested for the night in that cave and was very much impressed, very much happy by the shepherd's hospitality. What is hospitality? Means that nice welcome, right? Suppose some relatives or some guests are coming to your home and you are giving a very good treatment, you are welcoming, you are giving good food, good bed. So this hospitality, shepherd's hospitality and wise conversation, that intelligent conversation. The shepherd was able to make out means understand that his visitor, that traveler, was no other than the king, no one but the king. The king made the wise shepherd governor of a small district. Governor means that head of a small district. And other governors become jealous of the new governor. They become jealous of that new governor and called him dishonest. That is the main points of this paragraph, of this part. Then, though still tired of this upcoming part, okay, though still tired, the king decided to depart the next morning. Though he was tired, still he thought to depart, to go the next morning. He said, "Many thanks for your kindness to a poor traveler." And the king said to that wise shepherd, what? Many thanks for your kindness, for your kind treatment to a poor traveler. Means he said that the king said, king pretended to be a poor traveler. "I have a long way to go, permit me to leave." And he said, "I have a long way to go and allow me to leave, to go." Looking straight into the eyes of the guest, looking straight, direct into the eyes of the guest, of the traveler, the shepherd replied. The shepherd means the actual shepherd replied, what? Thank you for your majesty. And that you say means your honor, in respect of you, for paying me the compliment of a visit. Means that you came, right, to visit me. That is kind of very great compliment for me. Compliments that completes someone, right, kind of respect for that person. The king was astonished as well as pleased. King became surprised, astonished, surprised, and as well as pleased, happy. He is indeed very wise. King thought, yes, he is very much wise. He thought to himself, I need people like him to work for me. He thought, I want this kind of very wise person who will work for me. And the king appointed this humble shepherd, not humble, but humble shepherd, the governor of a small district. Governor means head of a small district. Okay, humble means very much modest, right, gentle, right, respectable. So humble, modest shepherd, the governor of a small district. That's all. Thank you.